Alright, y'all, here is a update on my Inline 6 mini version. I did upgrade it. I made two major differences. First is the flywheel. It's a way bigger flywheel, or thicker flywheel. The other one was too light, so now I'm experimenting with the heavier flywheel now. And the next thing that I did was I adjusted every single sliding valve. So I actually took all the old sliding valves out by breaking them right here, and also took the lobes out, and then I redesigned the lobes to be able to go back on the camshaft. Then the sliding valve just drops in through the top of the air valve and connects to the lobe, and then I glue the lobe together, and it looks like the original thing. So replaced every sliding valve, and now that minimizes the air that escapes from the gap right there. But yeah, we're finna test it out for the first time since the upgrades, and let's see how different it runs. All right, here we go. take it off the engine stand for the first time. I don't think y'all ever seen it off the engine stand. Boom, as simple as that. Of course, we got engine generated on the bottom. Oil. This is it off the engine stand. It's crazy. See if we can get some exhaust sound. It's actually kind of cool to be able to hold a inline 6 in your hand. This is it, but I like it better on the stand because well, I guess the next thing to do with this thing is to seal my exhaust up better, because if I put my hand right here, it doesn't slow the engine down that much. So there's a lot of air leaking out, and I'm pretty sure it's leaking out from all these exhaust ports right here, and some portions all over the place. But I gotta go and weld everything together. I just tapped it for the most part, but this is the inline 6. Now let's hear it idle before we get out of here. You know what? Hold on. Let's turn the pressure up some. Let's push this thing to the max. All right, y'all, so now we got a higher pressure going to the engine, and I hope this thing does not blow up on me. This might be the last time we see the inline 6 fully functioning. Let's see what happens. Sounds good, bro. It's still running. It's still running.